remember to hit the like button before you leave. Jamaica is making significant strides in its digital transformation, focusing on infrastructure, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and local tech innovation. Initiatives include modernizing public services, enhancing connectivity, and building a digitally skilled workforce. Jamaica Post is piloting a digital postal code system to improve delivery and e-commerce. Jamaican students achieved success at the International Olympiad in Artificial Intelligence, demonstrating investment in STEM. A trade mission to London helped Jamaican digital firms expand internationally. JCERT analysts won top cybersecurity honors. The Universal Service Fund is deploying Starlink internet in Western communities to bridge connectivity gaps. Telecoms are restoring services post-hurricane. The government expanded spectrum to secure emergency communications. Jamaica hosted the Latin America High Performance Computing Conference, the first Caribbean nation to do so. The nation is advancing its digital society with the National Digital Identity System and 5G rollout. The JBDC is boosting digital transformation among small businesses via the Digital Jamaica project. Jamaica is launching its national identification system for streamlined services and improved security. Flow and Digicel expanded 5G coverage. Fintech startup Lynk reached unicorn status after securing a major investment. The Ministry of Education and Microsoft are providing digital skills training. The Universal Service Fund installed solar-powered internet hubs in remote areas. Kingston will host the 2026 Caribbean Tech Summit. Jamaican startups won at the 2026 Caribbean FinTech Awards. Let's take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Jamaica Healthbox Natural Wellness, straight from the island to your home. Discover herbs, vitamins, and holistic blends designed to support energy, digestion, immunity, and everyday balance, made with a Jamaican-inspired approach to health. Shop now. www.jamaicahealthbox.com. Jamaica Healthbox. Feel good, live clean. And we're back! Thanks for sticking with us. Customs is using artificial intelligence to improve cargo inspections, reducing processing times. E-government portal usage has doubled. The University of the West Indies, Mona, opened a blockchain research lab. The JBDC will launch Jamaica's first artificial intelligence lab. The government is investing to expand technology access.
Thanks for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Remember to visit www.jamaicahealthbox.com to heal your body and cleanse. Your health is your wealth. Share this video